Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Knotty Threads. In case you're new here on my channel, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very easy technique of making a very beautiful and trendy pair of tassel earrings using crochet and some piping thread. So I'm using this thick piping thread and I'm just winding it 5 times around a phone. You can use a cardboard or anything that is hard enough to hold these strands of piping thread. The length totally depends on you. So after I have 5 strands here on my phone, I'm just going to slide them all, hold them together, and using any crochet thread you have, you can do the crochet part. It's a very fun project and it gets done very easily and quickly as well. So here I am using Anchor DK weight yarn to do the crochet part. So in the center I have my finger and I'm going to attach the thread little at least about half an inch away from the center. So I'm going to make 1 or 2 knots manually like this. So this is my first knot and then I'm going to make one more knot. Depending on the thread you're using, you can choose your hook size. So I am using a 3 mm crochet hook here. So I'm going to insert this crochet hook below the knot and I'm going to pull the loop. So after I have the loop on my hook, I will continue working single crochets. I'm going to work 12 single crochets one next to the other, and while I am working the single crochets, I am trying to hide the tail that was left after making the initial knot. So that way that tail gets hidden inside the stitch. So 12 single crochets one after the other. You can make this in any color, any thread. You can also try this using silk thread, but I wanted to try this with this cotton yarn. That's why I am working with this kind of thread. If you have kamal kadai thread or anything, preferably a little thicker yarn is better because it will give you more coverage. So this pair of earring gets done in less than 10 minutes. So definitely give it a try, and if you try, please do post the pictures in our group on Facebook called the Crochet Club by Knotty Threads. If you have any scrap yarn left, then this is going to be an amazing project to use up all the scrap yarn. So here I am done with all the stitches, just one left. So after the final stitch, I am going to trim the thread. So pull them all together so that there is the piping thread is not visible behind, and I'm going to leave a little longer tail like this, about 7 to 8 inches long, and trim it. So once I trim the thread, I'm going to pull the thread that is on the hook like this, tighten it, and then we will fold this like this into half, and using that long piece of thread I'm going to wind both the ends together like this. So it forms a beautiful arch in crochet on top. So once I'm done winding, I'm going to knot it just using my fingers. If you are not able to do it with your fingers, you can just use a needle. Make 1 or 2 knots like this and you can trim off the extra thread later. middle on the top like this. Add the earring hook as well. If you have any stud which has a loop, you can add that as well. So after I add this, I'm going to press the loop, and we will just hold both the earrings together and then trim it at even length. So even kids or high school kids, anybody who is interested into these kind of DIY can do this. So please do share this video with all the like-minded people, or to everybody who likes doing a lot of DIY stuff. Trust me, your kids, if you give them this task, they're going to just love making it. So do share this video with your kids who are interested in doing DIY. So I'm just going to trim everything to the same level, and with that, this beautiful pair of earring is ready to wear. They're very lightweight also, so anybody, college girls, teens, anybody can use it. So I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. In case you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel, do subscribe to Kanika Reddy Vlogs. Check out my blog knottythreads.net, and for all the material you can visit knottythreads.com. That's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon. Until then, take care.